Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make 3D paper butterflies. Here are the materials you'll need. As always, timestamps are in the description along with relevant links. You'll need a scoring board, a paper cutting board, twine or wire, a bone fold, scrap papers, a hot glue gun, a pair of scissors, and a writing utensil. So let's get started. First, score your paper at the following marks: 2.5 inch, 5 inch, 7.5 inch, and 10 inch. Next, cut your paper at the 5 inch and 10 inch marks to get two 5 inch wide rectangles. Then crease and fold at the score lines that are remaining. You'll want to make sure that the blank side is facing outward. Draw half a leaf shape towards the folded end of the paper. Then cut the leaf shape out. After cutting, trace the leaf shape onto the uncut paper with about a centimeter taller or shorter than the original. Afterwards, cut the leaf out. Unfold the half leaves to reveal a full leaf shape. Then score every 1/4 inch on both leaves. You'll want to fold in alternating directions at the score lines and then fold both leaves in half. Next, place both pieces facing the same direction with the bigger piece on top. Use twine or wire to tie the pieces together. Finally, fan out the wings. I'll repeat everything once more so you can see how it's done. 3D embellishment ideas, check the links in the description. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe to my channel for more